In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique text effect in Microsoft Word using some of its built-in features. Whether you're working on a presentation, a creative project, or just looking to add a little flair to your documents, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. First things first, you'll need to open the Microsoft Word file where you want to apply this effect. Make sure it's the correct document because you don't want to accidentally make changes where they're not needed. Once you have your document open and ready to go, it's time to bring some creativity into play. Let's head over to the Insert tab located at the top of your Word window. This tab is your gateway to adding lots of different elements to your document, but for today, we're focusing on Word Art. Once you click on the Insert tab, you'll see the Word Art option among the choices presented. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to choose a text design that suits your vision. Feel free to explore the options available. Word offers a range of styles that can add different visual dimensions to your text. After you've found a design that captures your idea, select it and type in the text you'd like to use. With your Word Art text now in your document, it's time to move to the next step, customization. Right-click on the Word Art text. You should see a drop-down menu appear, and from here, you'll want to select Format Shape. This choice opens up a world of possibilities for modifying the appearance of your word art, allowing you to fine-tune each detail to your liking. Once you're in the Format Shape options, navigate your way to the Effects section. This area is where we can dive deeper into customizing our text. Look for the option to set the X rotation. If you're unfamiliar with rotations, it essentially flips and spins your text, producing a more dynamic and visually engaging look. For this particular effect, set the X rotation to 180 degrees. This exact rotation can give your text an intriguing mirror effect, flipping it upside down. And that's it. You've taken a basic piece of text and transformed it into something special using just a few simple steps in Word. It's a quick yet very rewarding way to add creative flair to any project. Remember, these tools are there to enhance your document experience, so feel free to experiment with different combinations and see what amazing creations you can come up with. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Practice these steps a few times, and soon you'll be able to apply word art effects like a pro. Don't forget to save your work, and until next time, happy creating.